Welcome to another video on what's new in AutoCAD 2024. In this video, we're diving into a new feature, Activity Insights. It helps understanding your drawing's history and the actions performed by your collaborators. Let's get started. Activity Insights is a powerful tool introduced in AutoCAD 2024 that offers a visual log of past action performed on individual drawings. It tracks various events whenever a drawing file is modified, including events outside of AutoCAD, such as file renaming or copying in Windows Explorer. With Activity Insights, you gain a better understanding of the project's history and track who did what to the drawing. To access Activity Insights, go to the View tab, History panel, and select Activity Insights. This opens the Activity Insights palette, displaying a comprehensive list of past actions on the current drawing file. You can see edits, recoveries, purges, audits, and more. Delete updates in real time when you or your collaborators make changes and save the drawings. Activity Insights also logs external events from actions performed outside of AutoCAD, such as file renaming, copying, or moving in File Explorer. These events will appear as unknown user in the palette when you reopen the drawing file in AutoCAD 2024. To capture and share Activity Insight with collaborators, the activity logs need to be written to a share folder accessible to all parties. Activity Insights provides filters to refine the displayed data. Use the Date filter to view events from the current day, a specific time period, or custom date range. The User filter narrows down the list to a particular user or displays only your own activities. The Events filter lets you focus on specific event types. In AutoCAD 2024, Activity Insights allows you to track your actions without impact your drawing file size. The activity logs are stored separately and continue to be captured even when the Activity Insights palette is closed. The default location for storing these logs is in the Autodesk Activity Insights folder. However, you can change this location to a share folder for streamlined collaboration. Simply access the Options dialog box, go to the Files tab, and select the desired share folder for Activity Insights. That wraps up our overview of Activity Insights in AutoCAD 2024. It's a powerful feature for tracking drawings history and collaboration. Thanks for watching.